Pimilana mebuti chindo kusi jamguen chimu chola kuja wong tame thone mangzo kaw sumgi zezu namba andana sishu leje nambe ta andene tega jengsi singye yongla ye kasha sapche che sangmal ning thagwane samdi deshli yu shwayi and the shize tarinde zego rimshta chasu 아니 달래 개버 사무실에 라젠 칸에 숭지 나왔다 안다나 지는데 촉선에 임베네야 아니까 저조기 숭진디 비톤이 잘로낭 두비인데 가블링에 가샤 비 숭제의 넘버소 차를 요래 디송증에 달래 잘로낭 먹어 시체 쉐 찍디 그 김젠직 간스나 디제수 안선데 콘츠초ල් 당기 잠링 용네 달레 통갈 가수 참지 슈비디 년통디 야 퓨비시수 콘츠초네 시제 시데베기 구바르티마 조스 딩안즈 데베 슈기 데네 엔디 냠동은데 마네 동다 직직 디시기시기 갑을 마네 동다 직직 안즈 당나스베 토네 아니가데 제림 축 규바 당샤버치 이내양에 닝두 토네 콘스초 거딘 침부 이미디 콘슈초버체 당은주 라르메 부티 콘스 잠근 침부초 당은주 파마 라데 더페 암도 딱세 콩로 퉁 안데네 딱 콩로 나페여 갑라니 tindenaare ditsi yunde ka thalota tindenangche logichu khobeki ya tujenche chayudu adene ta yanamabo ki phechen sunche nyanga jibu shibuchi yunde kabla khunlu chudu kabla ani chepsi kuwang shebre ditsi bina an thalu lo di chepsi kuwang sheche lo dunju khobe die chayudu ine yanta 로 게주 나라 eng안주 상매 가수래 고차체 잠블링 카바이메네 로투에디 콩기 거딜 때인데 아 별전송 제번에 제지다 전조 존네 단대 차랑은주 전조 낭네 만다치 피제다 차추쉐 슈베이네 디그레 차에 디 콘스쇼 거디 냐질 땐 중샤브지레 ngāranzu chijāyo re, ngāranzu lobdāyo re, mēngāyo re, gondekāyo re, rāngarānsu sinē re, tā khāsu sūsū gu zīngyōng dara sūsū chetu ba, dendē nēnāndi kōngi gādīn tēn chūngshāb chire. Zamlīng nāni ngānzu tsadyo di inbē inē ya, umē lam da shiwē lam shishāba tōne, gyabgyo cetoba rātubē de kōngi gādīn tēn chūngshāb chire. Ani, tā ngānzu pāma nāngshī, tā mīmān tsā chimbu, tsewa chimbu, 예베 토네 푀자드 체도 압중 압시 롤 야나 페체 다 마우스둥데 자웬 라이레 주데다 야나기 구티 연내 메네 크란 소님도 제네난체 푀미 사야 두그 체도 푀갸캅 그 체도 다 가서 공수 til칭부 슈체 시베 토네 민든 소베랑 경 예베 토네 아니다 링자고 주나 친체 베즈 슈브레 다 디도고 공루 추주 슈브레 dene ngabjunga rulol jagal phe chisu zenjol phenil kunlu sabshikabla pheche ani dene cheche ta yag silo neru ni chebe zamling ge goti ta arisinzi ni cheche yakab mangbo goti nyamdu jende nanche phege zadun che phege tumo meimbe ngaranzo miri ngowo nangche tsebe rikshung minyam khongbe naya chedu hallebe kule kyon shabde nganzu namya 지주 요마레 시쉐디 데네 점링니 임베이네야 다콩 고주 토니 임베이네야 다 오늘아 점링 고티날 토마스네 디위메 칸시테 할레베 고유 순조건이 깔롭낭에 할레베 나우스타데 다 치즈다 고유 순조다 남시 줄도 간다 도나낭에 숭에 마우스타 요르바 나우스타 디 응은즈메 토네 냠데 게조라네 고유기 생다 공소초를 표시하고 중요해. 안당 안주 민버텐 제브제는 전절 붐직 체가 려 말에 점린체는 사이 두글 려 말에 이내야 체동 제체 아니 다 노벨 시대 생다 쇠베 안데네 다 출루 툰데 간 카두이네 공도 중국 여대 갑라 출루 토네 다 생다 케셰셰 템블턴 프라이스 쇠베 생다 야당업줄라 퓨샤바 중요해 안 케바나네 만다지 차여버디 세브스타데 차데비네야 자좀나야 숨절하 나왜 토네 다 점링 나라 사야 망보기 단대 임베이네야 차데비게 제체 디그 난기 하제 칼롭닝 닝두 디게 슈투베 토네 나 게르라이 팽구도 지조라 팽구도 낭밀레 팽구도 제체 점링 용나라 제티 할레바 첨부 중샤바데 제 요마레 제체 쉐딘 디 송산 달레 로다 가주 베미 딕수네 거딘지딘 로송지 슈고드디 디게 차자 제틴 디게 마제베 토네 난주게 벳코라 셈 딩라 냐베 토네 낭미 낭구라 안다나 시 치라 아니 콘즈초기 두개 담지 시디 가레가레 이메 녜버도 캠버스왕과의 신도 계시면시다래 달레 통가라라 단데 람마답지 제스와 코나랑게니데 야착바질 자좀낭샤 다 콘다부 이나 BJP기 고티 캐치슈지그 통지 개용 통지 차되고 할때 아니 코랑기 좀 제난다 신좀 디낭에 제난다 치미그 드그스기 통 나야 디 오늘 먼저 비밀 사야 툭 고캬네 댕법 첨부 제외백이 내단지 차대요래 제제 슈에디 안디네 안게 다디기 차장은 주 마제베 토네 뒤딱도 건저초기 깔롭디 냠렌 채워라 락다 채워라 슈데오 갈 가시 삼발 락다 채나 가래요래 삼기 여바 있나 공서초기 짜체베 깔롭디게 냠렌 채바 있나 당보 수수 미게르 소솔라 셈날 둥에 요샤부 충루도야 수수 이메네 참닝지 상주 데마 미치 차그 여바 데네 수수 능미레 임베네 페야 지조레네 페야 갸캅레네 페야 점링레네 페야 딘데 칼lum낭 여자 안 디게 응즈 남야 지기 요마르다스 냠레 낭고고르다 슈에디 안 데네 응즈다 원에랑 다 파마다부 지기 요레 다 공저초네 응즈레 제와침보 가즈는 그 요메데 캥게버데 이내 양아 가뒤 남염 다 예배차니 마지에 칙 아니 다 로가시에 숨어라 공서초 고하티니 디브루가르라 남두 나 페베갑라 남두 시우지 다베갑라 다 디나 남두 나랑아 다 동에신다 투뉴 디데오 칼랑원에 남주 마네 마당에 저 마네당 남다 시우지게도 와 디데오 칼라 공서초 투라 임베네 가레 곰도스나 당아다 미게치 그레스 임베이네야 다 범위 쌓야 두 가르다 채용스 다디 공도촌 디두갑라 투라 하수고래 곰빈데 간라 나저기 파마다고 공도촌에 메말 제와 같이 나고 여부터 남의 제규 요말에 제시해디 아데네 다된다 공도촌 구제를 문내버쇼 아니 범위기 자된도 두버쇼 안 표치나니가 냠조 용어 처시 제얘기다 벽에 돈징도 나라 쉬엔 투잖아 얘네 당에 인지기 Dikasha Sunshi Lordship statement of Dikasha on the 85th birthday of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet. Today we celebrate the 85th birthday of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. Jizun Jambengawa Losa Ishi Tenzin Gyatso. Dikasha and the Tibetan people, those inside and those in exile, pay our heartfelt greetings to His Holiness, the most revered leader of Tibet, the world's leading spokesman for peace, the epitome of Buddha's compassion and unconditional compassion. His Holiness often describes himself as an ordinary monk. For Tibetans, His Holiness is the glorious sun. He is a rare and unequaled leader who has been shouldering a nation and its people from the time he was 16 years old. His Holiness is the peerless leader who has been guiding Tibetans through every hardship, both personal and national. In March 1959, His Holiness had to leave his homeland as a final resort to seek freedom for his people. From the first day he stepped into a life in exile, His Holiness has worked to protect his people, lead a political movement, and preserve the unique cultural identity of Tibet. When Tibetans look at our recent past, we remember our great loss. But this loss has been bearable. Indeed, it contains a possibility for a future because of His Holiness. His Holiness has softened the blunt break into our lives and has helped reshape our sufferings into something that can contain hope. Tibetans exist as proud Tibetans even under conditions of continued dispossession because of His Holiness. Today, many around the world view Tibetans as the most successful refugee community, with schools, refugee settlements, monasteries, and a democratic polity capable of representing and uniting all Tibetans. Like a parent with unconditional compassion, His Holiness had made supreme sacrifices to nurture us. His untiring effort and far-sightedness has saved Tibet from becoming a mere footnote in the story of lost and forgotten nations. His Holiness made the liberation for Tibet visible to the world. The 1989 Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to him in recognition of his long advocacy of peaceful solutions, based upon mutual respect and toleration as a solution of international conflicts, global environmental problems, and human rights issues. Tibetans rejoiced with joy and pride when His Holiness received the award. Our hearts were transported knowing that the world had acknowledged the uncommon ruler who, even in the face of grave persecution, has always reached for a peaceful solution. His Holiness's legacy of humanity, peace, and compassion has already transformed the world. His Holiness was one of the earliest advocates for environmental protection and sustainability. In recognition of his contribution, His Holiness was awarded the United Nations Earth Prize in 1991. He continues to steer the world towards a more peaceful coexistence, embracing all peoples and the environment with initiatives such as advocating the education of the heart in the modern curriculum, advancing the value of mindfulness in the territory of modern science, promoting religious harmony, and facilitating interfaith dialogues. His Holiness's contribution has been marked by the highest of honors, including the U.S. Congressional Gold Medal and the Templeton Prize. In February this year, His Holiness was voted as the world's most spiritually influential person of the year 2020 in the Watkins list of 100 most spiritually influential living people. The world might see His Holiness as a human being who has achieved greatness, but for Tibetans, His Holiness is the manifestation of the Buddha of compassion. His Holiness has single-handedly anchored Tibetans who had lost their homeland, their home, and their loved ones. How shall we celebrate the life and legacy of such an eminent leader? His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama's benevolence towards Tibetan people will never be forgotten. This year is dedicated to him. During this year of gratitude, we will express our deep gratitude to His Holiness. We urge Tibetans and our friends around the world to initiate and take part in activities in their capacities to create awareness about the life and four commitments of His Holiness. The world today is going through a traumatic experience around the world. More than 500,000 people have lost their lives due to the pandemic. Taking this opportunity, we offer our prayers and solidarity to all the nations and individuals affected by COVID-19. As the number of cases surge in India, we urge the public to take the necessary precautions to keep one another safe. In these uncertain times, His Holiness's virtual teachings offer solace, hope, and blessings for thousands around the globe. His teachings call for oneness of humanity and for kindness and compassion to be the guiding values of everyday life. Taking this opportunity, we thank each and every individual, organization, and government who has supported the initiatives of His Holiness and joined us in the just cause of Tibet. Tibetans acknowledge with deep gratitude the debt we owe to His Holiness, the greatest of all the Dalai Lamas. We proudly celebrate his life and legacy and pray that His Holiness will live for eons and that all his wishes be fulfilled. We pray for the day when Tibetans in Tibet will get to seek His Holiness's blessing and teaching from his seat in the Potala Palace in the land of snow. May His Holiness light continue to shine upon us. Thank you very much. Kasha.